Hi, good evening, good evening. So, for tonight, I would like to invite you to a face to face event. Yes, we are meeting in person this coming May 25 this year. And the in person event is an event for aspiring online bookkeepers and accountants all over the Philippines. So we are meeting together in May 25. So we are sharing different experiences from different speakers. Then we will also be having a chance to know each other in person and share your thoughts, share your aspiration as an online bookkeeper or accountant. So, what are you waiting for? Register now to the Virtual Bookkeepers Talks 2024. Links to register is in the comment section. See you. Bye bye.